Hi guys, this is Arushi from Masters of Fashion Management at NIFT Panchkula, and I'm gonna ask a few questions from all of my classmates about what they think of the course, just to give you guys insights about the course that we're studying.
Millie is going to tell us about the internship opportunities that we get out of this course and what are the future prospects.
So there are three main internship categories that we could go for. The first one is marketing, under which you can do so much. Like there's advertising, there's PR, there's social media, there's creative direction, and there's a lot more. I mean, it's obviously what you make out of it. Then the other thing is you can get into retail, which would be like a managerial position for like a fashion brand. So you can get into buying, planning, merchandising. Third thing is like you can get into an export house. So you can work in like international business, import, export.
Also, we could be a fashion entrepreneur as well. That is one thing.
Yes, of course.
In fact, we have a lot of people from our class who are actually running their entire businesses as well, with studying over here as well. Okay, so we have Parth here with us, who's gonna tell us a little bit about what he did for his graduation.
I've done BTech in textiles basically. So that's the back end of the textile where I learned about the production and all the technical skills. So pursuing MFM is the main reason for this is that I want to know more about the front end of the textiles. कि कैसे काम होता है, what is about retailing, marketing क्या है, how brand works.
Great. Also, Parth is also the sports coordinator at our college.
जैसे हम निफ्ट के बारे में सुनते हैं तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि कॉलेज बहुत डिजाइनिंग वाला होगा, फैशन शोज होंगे, तो स्पोर्ट्स का इतना हम देखते नहीं है कि निफ्ट टू बी अ स्पोर्ट्स कॉलेज. तो सारे स्पोर्ट्स हम इंक्लूड खेलते हैं यहाँ पर, आउटडोर और इंडोर हो गया. और
Can you tell us a few sports that we
हम
play?
यहाँ पे वॉलीबॉल, बास्केट, फुटबॉल, पिकल बॉल, शॉर्ट पुट, डिस्कस एंड अब तो चेस और कैरम पे भी हमारा बहुत मेन फोकस है. तो हम एक बहुत बेसिक और बहुत ही नॉर्मल कॉलेज को एक हाई एंड पे ले जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे फैशन के साथ साथ एक स्पोर्ट्स भी रहे.
have other colleges that we go to also. मतलब compete करने के लिए हम बहुत सारे different colleges में जा रहे हैं चंडीगढ़ में.
जो भी स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं तो हम उसको सोशल मीडिया पे दिखाते हैं कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, तो उससे कई कॉलेजेस हम इनवाइट करते हैं. लाइक रिसेंटली अभी प्लाक्सा यूनिवर्सिटी ने हमें बुलाया था, और अभी रिसेंटली अमेठी वालों ने भी अपने फेस्ट में बुलाया हमें कि हम आए कम्पीट करें. तो अभी तक अच्छा चल रहा है सब कुछ. लेट्स होप कि आगे भी ऐसे चलता रहे.
So, Shrishti, can you please tell us if you chose this campus or you were allotted NIFT Panchkula?
So I'm from Himachal, and after my first round of counselling, I was getting NIFT Kangra. But then I considered a lot of factors because Panchkula is much closer to my home, and course is as such that we have to do a lot of assignments regarding fashion brands, and Chandigarh is a hub. All the major fashion brands are here. Also closer to NIFT Delhi, which is our central campus. Placements also happen over there. So I thought that it will be easier for me to travel to Delhi from NIFT Panchkula than NIFT Kangra. And also Chandigarh is a fun city. I've lived there before also for 1 year, and there is a lot to explore here. Like Kasoli is also nearby.
Okay, so Ishita over here is a fashion design graduate from FDDI Chandigarh. Let's know from her how is it different from her last fashion college.
Here we have a lot of more opportunity than the previous one. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चे इंडल्ज हैं फैशन सोसाइटीज़ और इन चीज़ों में. हमारा जो कॉलेज था, वी वर मोर टुवर्ड्स बुकिश नॉलेज. हेयर वी डू मोर प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स. जो बेस्ट थिंग है इस कॉलेज की, हमारे एग्जाम्स नहीं होते, हमारी जूरी होती है. दैट इज़ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, और हम ज़्यादा जान पाते हैं कि हाउ डू वी हैव टू गो एंड प्रेजेंट इन इंडस्ट्री. ऑफ कोर्स वी को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज, हर वेंसडे वी डू समथिंग, एटलीस्ट लाइक गेम्स और कल्चरल एनीथिंग, बट we are indulged in that. Most of the college don't collaborate bachelors and masters together, but here it's not like that. सब लोग बहुत friendly है, very nice, teachers are very supportive, culture बहुत अच्छा है, बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं. कॉलेज न्यू है तो हम लोग बहुत ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि इसको इतना establish कर दे कि निफ्ट दिल्ली से ऊपर निफ्ट पंचकुला आ जाएगा.
Hopefully we're gonna manage to do that. Cheers. So Harshita, can you please tell me a little bit about life at NIFT Panchkula and how is it different from what you did for graduation?
I talk about my previous bachelor's. So it was a management course, and it was a management college also. So there people were not like that dressed in NIFT. Like it is so exciting for all of us because frequently we have sari somvars, different assignments in which we have to dress. Like in coming days, NIFT Panchkula is hosting Converge. So like it is exciting for us, and it's like getting in